up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D here, and I'm back with another DIY video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to repurpose your candle jars. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. The items you need for this DIY, you're going to need the E6000 glue. It works amazing with glass. You're also going to need, or plastic, you're also going to need like doorknobs. I got my doorknobs from Walmart. They came in a set of 2, but you can get them from Lowe's, Home Depot, anywhere that sells single or double doorknobs, however many candles you have. You're going to need candle holder, which I got mine from the Dollar Tree. And of course, you're going to need candle jars. So before I realized that I was going to do the video, I had cleaned the wax out of the candle jars. So I'm going to have to get some more candles together, and I'm going to have to show you guys how I removed all of the wax from the candle jars. Believe it or not, it's like super duper easy. Yes, and it still smells like candles. I just love it. This DIY is like super duper easy. Like all I did was take my doorknobs and I glued them with my E6000 glue, glued them to the top. Now with the smaller candle, which is a Bath and Body Works candle, you know, they have different designs on the top of them, but with this particular one I could eyeball like the center because of the way the design's made. But with the other one, it didn't have like nothing on it, so you're gonna have to kind of like center it close to the center as possible if it don't have no design on it, or like a pinpoint, as I would say. But other than that, you gonna, because my tall candle jar is so tall, I did not use a candle stand for that one, but for the shorter one I did, just to give it some height. And all I did was glue that one to the stand and allow them to sit and dry overnight.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all
My jars are completely dry. My Bath and Body Works top was not dry completely the next day, so I had to get back on like an extra day to dry, and that sometimes happen with the glue, and I guess it's because of the ridges and stuff that was on top of the Bath and Body Works one. It wasn't as smooth as the other candle holder, but nevertheless, I am going to show you guys different ways that you can use these jars.
must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love.
With fall around the corner, you definitely can use this as like fall home decor. These are some little balls and stuff that I found at my local Dollar General that I decided to use and show you guys in this video. Different ways that you can decorate your reused candle jars. Also, like, you can change them out like for the season. Say Christmas time come, whatever color you going with for Christmas time, you can put those kind of Christmas balls in there and it'll be super cute. You could put lights in there with it. That also will work. You can use them in your bathroom for your cotton balls, your Q-tips. You can put it in your office and can use them for like paper clips. Like, the list goes on. These are like super easy and they're super fun because you can change them out whenever, however. So I'm just going to continue to show you guys more ways that you can use these.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind.
I found these roses and these thingamajigs. I don't know what they are, but anyways, I found them at Target, and I had these things like when I first moved into my house, and like as you can see, like I have some that sits on the table like year round, but I had some left over, so I decided to put some in the jar and drop a rose over in it, and it just gives it that fall look. I absolutely love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this DIY, and I hope you guys stay tuned to the next video. I was undecided on how I wanted to use my jars. My main purpose for fixing them, I didn't have enough jars to do exactly what I wanted to do, but I would definitely do that and show you guys in a another video. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your notification on. That way you will not miss an upload. And to my subscribers out there, I love you guys. Until the next video, until the next time, thanks for watching. Bye.